Today I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, open any browser that is already installed on your computer. Most Windows 11 systems come with Microsoft Edge by default, so open Microsoft Edge. Now go to the address bar at the top and type google.com/Chrome and press enter. You will now see the official Google Chrome download page. Make sure you are downloading Chrome from the official Google website to avoid fake or unsafe files. On this page, click on the Download Chrome button. Your download will start automatically. If it does not start, you can click the download link shown on the screen. Once the file is downloaded, click the downloaded file at the top of your browser window. The Chrome setup file will now open and start downloading the required installation files. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take some time. As you can see here, the installer is downloading Chrome and showing the remaining time. This is completely normal, so just wait until the download finishes. After downloading the required files, Google Chrome will automatically start installing. This process usually takes a few seconds. Once installation is complete, Google Chrome will open automatically. Now you can sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history. This step is optional, and you can skip it if you want. If you want to set Chrome as your default browser, Chrome will show you a prompt. Click Set as Default if you want Chrome to open links automatically in the future. Google Chrome is now successfully installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready to use.